Now today I wanted to share with you my method of putting a new freeze plug in here in the head. I started with the usual suspects, a flathead screwdriver, and just knocked it from the bottom. It flipped over, pulled it right out, no problem. And I went in here with a cordless drill and used the flapper wheel to clean it up real good. Then I put my Loctite all over the edge of the new freeze plug. It's just the right size. The freeze plug fits over top of it. Now I carefully take the whole thing, get it nice and try to get it nice and flat. Get my glove out of there, and one part of a glove in there, and then just gently tap so we get it going right. There we go. We're countersunk in there pretty good. Not too much. Let me give you a close-up view of that. If you haven't done any freeze plugs, or not very many, and you're not sure about countersinking it exactly right, you can dig up some old flat washers. Dig through your flat washers and get some to just the right size, thickness. Then instead of doing what I did, you just get the freeze plug barely down in the surface, not countersunk like this. Put your flat washers on the edge of the freeze plug. Get an oversized bushing driver and lay it on top of those flat washers, and then knock it down until it won't go anymore. Flat washers will countersink it to whatever thickness the flat washer is. But don't use flat washers that are such a large diameter that they're going to get stuck in there. And don't make them so thick that it's going to countersink it too far. That would defeat the purpose of using them. And if you do get a flat washer stuck in there, just take a flathead screwdriver, put it in the hole, and flip it up.
Hey, if you like this video, we got a whole lot more. We got tool reviews, we've got repair videos, we've got show car videos, hot rods, mod rods, you name it. If it's got wheels on it and an engine, it's probably on this channel. So subscribe, like, and binge watch Saneauto. Binge watch Saneauto.